I lost $800 in just 2 days. A couple months back, I got hired to install a mini split at someone's vacation home. Everything seemed normal. The client offered me water, thanked me as I worked. Super chill. 2 full days of wiring, mounting, testing the system came out perfect. I sent the invoice. Crickets. I called, texted, nothing. Later I found out the house wasn't even his. It belonged to a relative and he had flown out of the country. No contract, no upfront payment, no paper trail. Since then, I changed how I do business. Now I send the quote, the terms, and a payment link. Before, I touch a single tool, all through InvoiceFly. Logo, service breakdown, payment in one place, straight from my phone.